The biggest hurdle and the most time consuming part when it comes to blogging is writing a blog post, right? So if you want to write a well-researched and factually correct blog post that's at least like a couple thousand words long, it will easily take you anywhere between 4 hours to 10 hours, right? Well, not anymore. This right here is a 2000 words long article written entirely by an AI tool called SEOWriting AI, and yes, you heard that right. The AI wrote the entire article, generated and added images, embedded a YouTube video, added references and links to other high authority websites as well. And the best part, all in just a couple of clicks. In this video, let's talk about a cool AI tool called SEOWriting AI that helps you to automate blogging by writing articles, generating and including images, and finally publishing it to your WordPress blog as well. Now, if that sounds interesting, let's jump right in. Alright, so the first thing that you want to do is to head over to the link in the description below and visit the SEOWriting AI page and sign up for an account. And once you log into your account, this is the interface that you'll be greeted with. And since we are going to create a new blog post, click on this option that says one-click blog post. Just click on it. And this is the place where we'll configure every aspects of creating a blog post using AI. So the first thing that you want to do is to enter a main keyword. So it can be anything like a target keyword for which you want to write an article. Let's say you have a blog in the technology niche and you want to write an article about iPhone 15 tips and tricks. You can go ahead and enter the main keyword here. And since I'm in the marketing space, let me give it a keyword something like email marketing. So email marketing is the main keyword for which I want to write an article. And you, as for the title, you have two options. Either you can click on this option that says generate a title and have the AI generate one for you. And it says boost your business with email marketing strategies, but I have a custom one in mind, so I'll just go ahead and paste it here. So it says email marketing, the ultimate guide, expert tips plus data to know. So this is the title for the article. And now further you scroll down, this is where you will adjust the core settings for which you want to generate the article about. The first thing that you want to do is to select the language. So SEO writing supports many different languages. You can go ahead and select any language of your choice. For now, I'll just select English US. Next, you have to select the article length. Okay, they have a couple of options like X small, medium and large. By default, it will be at medium. That will generate around 2400 to 3600 words long article, and it will include about 9 to 12 H2 headings as well. And you can also go ahead and select large, which will have around 5000 words and about 15 H2 headings. For now, I'll just stick to the medium one. Next, you need to select the tone of voice. They have a couple different options like friendly, professional, informational, transactional, inspirational. Depending on the type of content that you're writing, you can select any of these options. For now, I'll just select the friendly option. And the next is the most important part, that is to select an AI model. So you can use pretty much any AI model to write article for you. And here you have a couple of options like ChatGPT, that is GPT-4o mini plus GPT-4o. We have Anthropic Claude 3 Haiku, then we have 4o latest model, then we have GPT-4, we have Claude 3 Opus and 3.5 Sonnet as well. So you can select pretty much any model as you wish. So let me for now just click on this option that says GPT-4o last model. And here you can select the point of view. It can be first person plural, second person or third person. Now let me just select second person. Another important feature that's available on the tool is that you can also connect your own API key as well. So if you have an OpenAI or Anthropic Cloud API key, you can go ahead and add it to your account, and you can use that to generate articles as well. So for now, I'll just use the dedicated inbuilt AI model. And the next thing that you want to select is the target country. So if your content is specifically focused or targeted towards audience from a particular country, you can go ahead and select one. For now, let me just select United States. And the next is one of the most important part of generating an article using AI, and that is to humanize the text. And as you might already know, if you go ahead and ask an AI tool to generate an article, let's say you ask ChatGPT to write an article about XYZ topic, the generated article will sound so robotic, and pretty much all apps like Originality AI will be able to detect it is as a AI written content, right? So this is where SEOWriting truly shines. So you have an option that says humanize text here, and you have a couple of options here as well. So you can go ahead and select how you want to optimize or how you want to humanize your text. The recommended one is 8th and 9th, again that is easily understood. I'll also go with that one. If you want, you can also play around and select different ones, and eventually you will find the one that works for you. And selecting this humanizing text option is very, very important because it enhances the readability and bypasses AI detection tools as mentioned earlier. And next, if you want to include any custom details to the article, let's say you are writing an article about a particular company or brand, or if you want to include services from your own brand or contact information and stuff like that, you can include it in this details to include section. For example, if you hover on sample 1, sample 2 and sample 3, you can see what are the details to be included or what are the potential details that you can include. For example, your phone number is something you can enter your phone number and have the AI include it naturally within the flow of the article, and that's something you can consider. But for now, I'm not including any details yet. And this is by far the favorite feature of mine when it comes to SEOWriting.ai, and that is Media Hub. So SEOWriting.ai can not only generate article but also generate images using AI and include it as well. For example, here we have an option that says AI images. I'll select it as yes, and the number of images that I want to include, for now I'll just select it as 5. Now we can select an image style. I'll just select photo for now, and you can select the image size. Okay, I'll leave it to it. And also I'll just enable this option that says include the main keyword in the first image as alt text. It will help when it comes to search engine optimization side of things. And next, you also can include a YouTube video, right? So the AI will search YouTube for relevant videos, find it and embed it right within your blog post. How cool, right? So I'll just go ahead and select yes, and I'll choose to include 2 videos, and let's see how it comes up with alternate images and video. That's fine. And yep, that's for there. And next is that you have to configure the SEO settings, and mainly the keywords to include within the text. Okay, so if you have some custom keywords in mind that you want to include in your article, you can go ahead and type it out in here. Also, you have an option that says NLP keyword generation. So upon clicking this button, the AI will generate some keywords and add it to here. For example, let me show you. As you can see, now AI has generated some potential keywords like related to the topic and included it in here as well. So I'll also add a custom one, like say email marketing for beginners. Okay, email marketing for beginners, and I can hit enter, and this way you can add any more additional keywords as well. And now further you scroll down, here is where you will configure the structure of the article that you want to generate. First, let's see how to introductory hook brief. Okay, let's configure how your intro paragraph should look like, or in the intro section should look like. For now, I'll just select the statistical or fact option. You have a couple of other options as well: question, quotation, story, personal, or emotional. You can select any one of your choice. And now these are the individual components that you might want to include into your article. So if you want any one of these, you can select yes, and if you don't want, you can click on no. Conclusion, tables, H3, list, FAQ, key takeaways, quotes, italics, and bold. For now, I'll leave everything as selected. And now as you further scroll down, you will find an option that says internal linking, and this is yet another cool feature. So if you select and add your WordPress website, if you connect your WordPress website to SEOWriting.ai, if you enable this option, this internal linking feature will crawl all the entire content or all the blog posts that's currently live on your website, and it will find and add relevant internal links to those posts from the article that you're writing. Such a cool feature to have. For now, I haven't connected my WordPress website to the AI yet, but I'll show you how to do that in a moment. Now you can also configure the AI to include some external links as well. So if you want to add external links to credible sources and citations and references to other authoritative websites in the space, you can go ahead and click on the option that says automatic. Now the AI will take care of adding links to some authoritative sources. For links, I'll just set it to 3 to 4. Placement will be evenly throughout. Contextual enrichment, I'll just select yes, and the link attribute I'll set it as no for all. And now as you further scroll down, there is an option that says connect to web, and for access I'll just click on this option that says deep web, and for citations I will select yes, and for sources links maybe no, and yeah, I'll also enable real-time search. So what it does is that it analyzes hundreds of most relevant websites with statistical data and pull data from there and include it in your article, so you can be rest assured that the AI comes with factually accurate data. So that's an important option that you have to enable. And now as you further scroll down, you have outline editor. So this is where you can include custom H2s and other sections if you want to. All you have to do is just click on this option that says enable the outline editor, and clicking on this magic bag option will generate a structure for your article that you're about to generate. So let's wait for it to generate. And now as you can see, the AI has generated an outline for the article. So if you want to remove any of these, you can just click on this X button, and if you want to add a new heading, you can just click on this option that says add a heading and add custom ones. For now, this one looks good. This is pretty good for now. And as you further scroll down, we have an option that says publish to WordPress. So if you have a WordPress website, you can connect SEOWriting tool to your WordPress website and have it to automatically post the content to the website. So let me show you how to do that real quick. To connect your WordPress website to SEOWriting.ai, it will just log into your account and click on your profile picture and click on the option that says integrations. Next, you need to click on WordPress and click on the option that says install plugin. So now it will open up a new page where it will show you the details as to how you can add this plugin. So I'll just copy the name of the plugin and I'll quickly log into my website here. So once you are on your WordPress website dashboard, just go to plugin section, click on add new plugin and search for SEO writing. And there you have it. This is the plugin that you need to install. I'll just click on install now and click activate. And once the plugin is activated, you just need to go to settings and click on the option that says SEO writing. And you will now find an option that says a connect button. Just click on this connect button. And yes, the website is now connected. All right, successfully connected, as you can see. And if you refresh this page, it should say your site is connected to SEOWriting.ai. As simple as that. All right, now you can come to this option publish to WordPress and select your website from this drop down menu. And first you want to select a category to which you want to tag this particular post. For now I'll just select blogging, and the post status, for now I'll set it to publish. And the author, you can select for which author you want that article to be tagged as. You can also add optional tags as well. I'll keep the main keyword as the permalink, and I'll set the first image as the featured image and add a meta description to expert field as well. And now once done, I'll just go to the top and click on this option that says run and wait for a few seconds. Okay, and now we can see the AI is now generating the article, and you can see the status here. So it is now 4% done. So let's wait till it is done. Depending on the length of the article and how much image you want to include in the article and various other parameters, the time taken to generate the article will vary. All right, the AI is now done generating the article, and here we have it. And it took about 3 to 5 minutes to generate the entire article with all the images and citations and references, links, and also YouTube videos. So let's see how it looks. I'll just click on this 3 dots and click on this option that says view. Oh, this article is 4,500 words long, and I'll just enable the citation option. So I'll keep it enabled. And as you can see, there's like the citations and references from where the article pulled the data from. So we have a nice featured image here. We have a key takeaway section. We have a YouTube video embedded within the content, some more images. All the sections that we saw in the outline is exactly what we see here as well. We have a couple more images. We have tables. Cool. We have links to external websites. We actually enabled the option to include links to external sources. So that is one link that we have right here. We have a lot more images. We have tables. The article is extremely long and is in depth and covers a lot of top topics in this email marketing article. We have a code section over here, some more bullet points, cool case studies, examples, conclusion, and also finally an FAQ section as well. That's cool. That's awesome. And remember, we actually also enabled the option to publish this article directly to our WordPress blog as well. So let's see if it's done. So this is the WordPress blog that I configured to publish the article to. And as you can see, the article is already live on my blog. So as I can see, the exact same article that I saw here is live on my blog. And it's same, the images, YouTube videos, tables, codes, and pretty much everything is right here. And that's how simple it is. And now let's see the readability score of this article. For that, I'll just copy the entire article from here. And I'll go to Hemingway app and I'll paste it right here. And oh my god, readability grade is 9, right? Super cool. And this article that we generated in a single click has managed to get a readability score of grade 9, which is actually really nice. So that's for that. And now if you come back to the dashboard, you can see another option that says bulk article generation. And it is similar to that single article generation feature. But if you have if you want to publish, let's say up to 100 articles in single click, you can use this one. So first you have to enter a main keyword, then the title and keywords. You can repeat the same steps. Say for example, I want to write an article about SEO, next about affiliate marketing, next about any other random topic. I can enter the actual title. Now I can go ahead and enter the keywords, and the AI will now generate all these articles in batch and publish the same to your WordPress blog as well. So if you want to do that, you can do that as well. And all you got to do is to enter the main keyword, title, and even you can just go ahead and import those details from an Excel sheet as well. And once that part is done, you can go to the bottom section and configure the core settings like the AI model to use, or tone of voice, the target country, how much images to include and everything. And finally select the blog to publish. And upon clicking this run button, the AI will generate whatever number of articles that you selected, and it will generate it and publish it directly to your WordPress blog. So that's this bulk article generation feature for that one. And next we also have this Humanizer tool that will help you to rewrite the article generated by AI and humanize the content. For example, you can select the readability here. So I'll select it as 8th and 9th grade and paste a text that is generated by AI, and I'll click on this option that says humanize, and within less than a couple of seconds the AI should now convert and humanize the text and show the output here. So you can go ahead and copy this humanized text and go ahead and paste it and replace the article or rewrite the article within your blog as well. So that's yet another cool feature that comes along with SEO writing. So all of these are actually included within this bundle. Okay, so that's how simple it is to use SEOWriting.ai tool to generate articles in a single click. It will include everything like custom generated images, you include YouTube videos, citation, reference link, external links, and in fact it can also publish the article directly to your WordPress blog as well. How cool, right? Now if you want to use SEO writing, just click on the link in the description below and you can sign up on the platform, and you can also use this coupon to get 25% discount. And if you look at the plans for this app, it is actually the starter plan is for $14 a month, and you can generate up to 50 articles with unlimited words, and you can also humanize the content for 100 articles as well. And we also have a professional plan over here for which it is $59 a month, and it can generate up to 250 articles, and depending on the article amount the price actually varies. So for example, if you want to generate up to 1000 articles, it costs around $230 per month. It gives you 100 generation, unlimited words, Humanizer Tool, internal linking, external linking, API, and a bunch more. And also we have a free plan as well, so that will give you like 5 generation and 5000 words and all other top quality AI images and auto citations features and all others as well. So if you want to try out SEOWriting.ai, make sure to use this coupon to get a 25% discount, and I will leave all the details and link in the description as well, so you can go check them out yourself. And that's pretty much from my side for today, and hope you guys found this video useful. If yes, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.